Hello once again, welcome back to our channel. Here I'm coming with a new vlog after so many days gap. So right now I'm here in Shillong for bamboo trekking. I hope you guys will enjoy with me. So please watch the video till the end. Hi. Actually my plan was to go to bamboo trekking, but
we changed the plan.
right now we'll be moving to
Cherrapunji. So when we come back, we have to show them this, and after that we will get our bag and things. If we lost it, no entry. No more. We'll be taking over fresh stock block.
Are you excited?
We're going to Cherrapunji. Very excited. We decided to go for trekking, but unlucky us.
I'm not a guy, still I'm a boy.
Because of the weather, we changed our plan. Now we're heading to
Cherrapunji.
Yes. Excited?
Yes.
Birthday boy, excited for Cherrapunji.
Yeah.
Our vehicle finally came. Yesterday we came by two-wheelers, right? But then now we have to go by small. Very sad.
Hello guys, right now we are heading to Cherrapunji. So here is my beautiful girlfriend. Hey, yes. So here is our driver. Actually आज हम लोग बाइक से जाने के लिए कोशिश किया था लेकिन हुआ नहीं है प्लान फेलर लेकिन सक्सेस करके दिखाएगा ठीक ड्राइवर चलो
Right now we have reached our destination. This is our first destination.
Yes.
We're here right now in Cherrapunji and we're heading towards Double Drive.
Yes. Heading to Waterfall. All the pretty ladies. The most.
always very important. So right now we're here in the Double Drive Waterfalls. So
As we were planning to move out early in the morning, but as due to the weather, bad weather, we were so late. So because of that, so we're moving out. What to say?
Say hi. We're heading down.
एक्चुअली हम लोग प्लानिंग तो करा था बैम्बू ट्रेकिंग जाने के लिए लेकिन वेदर का वजह से दिस इज इवन दो इट इज नॉट बैम्बू ट्रेकिंग दिस इज बैम्बू प्लेस
finally we are in the location. oh, this called waterfall. Yes.
First destination. Spek de cũng lupa lâu lệ agum nha.
Happy face.
Finally, she is happy. She is smiling. Her spec, her Google got drawn. So Mr. Festok rescued her. You can subscribe, like, and comment, and do support him, our brother Festok. Your loving and caring and your humble comment will appreciate or bless him.
Request you and what I want to advise you is that अगर आप शिलोंग आना है तो जैसा भी try to wear a hot dress. Actually यहाँ पे कभी हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था आप लोगों का दोस्त होगा बोल के अभी अनएक्सपेक्टेडली Hello bro.
Bye bye Greek Nunisa. देख लो.
क्या बोला?
Saying bye bye to this waterfall. We're going back to another spot. Are you enjoying Site?
Yes.
How is your experience seeing our first waterfall?
Very good.
What's your experience, Mr.
Very good.
Fresh?
Actually, I'm big in size, so I couldn't able to come across this way. How can I?
So this is the view. And they told us that this waterfall is actually new. We're saying goodbye to this double drive waterfall.
Finally, we are here in the Seven Sister Waterfalls. You can look it around. The best time to visit these waterfalls is between in the month of June and September. So here is a visitors. Yes, it is weekend day, so we have a lot of visitors. Nobody have an experience to have videography, so I alone. What is this? This is called Zamsi. Aya, kumnukum ba? Agay ko tatak lang biya. Meghalaya ka dap dinap po ma. Wow. Yes. Wow. Wow, may belo na.
We're here in Eco Park in our third stoppage for having lunch. He's the one who used to do committee always. Only asking for discount. This guy, our fourth businessman. Brother, press
Hello,
off.
hi. Today he will be my assistant, and thank you so much for your time. Today I could not able to make the video. I don't want to speak much because I have this pain problem, so please do excuse me. So let him do instead of Mr. Festo. Thank you so much for cooperating with me. Okay, sir.
Sir, any words for today's journey? Now we're in the third place. Can you do you want? Okay. Do you want to say anything about today? Right now, we're in the third spot.
This is the first time, but excited.
Now we're heading towards to Mransal swimming pool. So this is the location. It's beautiful, awesome. It's pretty silent, cool. We're jumping into the entry point of Mransal. In this place we can get this free.
Ah, this is free. You know the red one. Who will get no? You have to buy no. It's free. Have a good day, brother.
Thank you, brother.
There is an main entrance. Entry fee per head. They charge 30 rupees per head. For parking, they charge 20. So let's get it.
This is the main entry. So we're heading towards the waterfall.
And if we want to see top of the fall, we have to go that side. And if we want to swim, bottom of the fall, straight. So we finally reached the spot. See, everyone are enjoying. And this is the guideline for whoever comes to this spot. Here's for the changing room. Who wants? La la la. And here are all the jacket for the safety. Jacket is 50 rupees. Yes.
Let's go about the laps in together. Here I'm going to swim in the river pond.
That's yeah in Tong.
Here is a waterfall. So right now I'm going to swim here. Here is the life jacket. It looks so beautiful in the washroom. I have a big mushroom. Hi,
Some of our friends are already there, so I'll be showing them to you guys. Oh my god, it's so beautiful, guys. Woo!
Pro. She's going to win the race. It's between Fresok and Miss Asangle. But I can see boys more powerful and stronger.
Oh yeah, really?
It's like him. Oh yeah. After swimming for 2 minutes, he got too tired. Mr. Changsangpe, peace off. What was the name?
Something fall.
This is called Samseng Waterfall from our Zemi dialect. It is composed by Mr. Aswang. Due to his fitness, he's very energetic still now. After swimming for 8 hours, floating. भाई लोग आना यहाँ पे ये जगह बहुत मस्त है. Okay, obviously we are going to visit this place again. If we have that beautiful opportunity, we are going to visit this beautiful and wonderful place again after some days. Bye. Wish all of us could get a chance. 120 का नीचे गाड़ी नहीं चलाता है और उसका नाम है नजीम. और अगर आप लोग शिलोंग पे आके कोई जगह पे विजिट करना मन करता है तो प्लीज कांटेक्ट हिम मिस्टर नजीम. उसका कांटेक्ट नंबर भी हम लोग डिस्क्रिप्शन पर लिंक कर देगा. And here our Mr. Fresok want to say something.
अगर आप वहाँ पे आके स्विमिंग करना चाहता है तो अंदर पेन कभी भी भूल के आना नहीं है. मैं आज एक्स्ट्रा लाया नहीं बोल के खाली बोधी आ रहा है.
So if you want to visit this place, come with extra large, extra underwear. Finally, I'm going to reveal my face as I'm being Mr. Fresok side part videographer. Videographer? Who knows? Who cares? I doesn't care. Videography for who? He? No problem. But today I'm Mr. Fresok side hand.
Yes.
Side
Today
hand.
is videographer.
Side hand videographer. Mr. Zibi. Fine, Zeme kone damaira da. Hello, Mbo. Punoi ting cham set na. Harang bo bam do lokti dele. Punoi tanay betakalu. Buzeg na. Main ka takalu zeliang beb go andar pen pang la chang dele.
The owner of the channel, Fresh Talk, too much hungry. And here, hungry. Yes. Hungry.
I'm very hungry day. Wow.
Em juste ngô tại có mà cái problem có sang là rang mà con nên gặp puni go feeling nó tiêu go đâu.
So finally, we are returning back to our lodge.
Guys, it's another day in Shillong. Yesterday we were supposed to go back, but we returned quite late, so we decided to stay back and go early morning. Now the time is I think 7 a.m. something like that. So we're checking out. Can you please tell to the audience how is our trip?
It was fun. It was enjoying.
Not the best, but it's good only.
Now we are going back home.
I enjoy a lot. About others I don't know, but then I enjoy a lot. Please share how is your experience about today's trip? I don't know. Back to you. Yeah. Now we will be moving back to Guwahati. We'll be missing this cool weather. Yes. All. Upay na. Tada, corona peta.
Thank you so much for watching the whole video. We'll see you again in the next video. Till then, stay safe. हमेशा खुश रहेगा, ठीक?